Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about painting tile and specifically doing a marbling effect on tile. When we moved into our home, the flooring and tiling was just hideous. The flooring in a lot of the rooms was actually cracked and needs to be replaced. But for the stuff that is still halfway decent, but just doesn't go with my color scheme, I'm going to go in and paint this. I did this over a year ago in this bathroom and it is held up. No chipping, no scuff marks, nothing. And then you'll see that later on I do my half bath downstairs, and I actually just redid it again because I got tired of the design that I did. If you don't know who I am Kristen, the creative peacock, and I love doing all things DIY. The first thing that you're going to do is paint the all over color that you want. I just used a regular wall paint. You're going to seal it at the end. The next thing you're going to do is you get a long, very thin paintbrush. After you put your initial paint color on, let that dry. Then you're going to go in and add another coat of that white in this bathroom here. Then I'm going to draw little lines that replicate where the veining of the marbling goes. The most important thing is just to not overthink this. It's going to work itself out in the end. Then I go in and I add water, spraying. This is the magic thing because it's going to make that paint kind of bleed. And when you have that base of the white beforehand, the gray or whatever marbling color that you want, I found that black is too harsh, so gray is a good kind of medium for this. That's going to vein out and it's going to spread and make it look exactly like how marbling looks. And this is what my bathroom tile ended up coming out like. Now let's go down to my half bath and start on the floor. Again, I start with whatever paint colors I want to do. Here I went with a black and white checkered look. I went over a previous design that I had painted over a year ago. It held up. It was awesome. I was just tired of it. Once those original colors then I can go in with my veining effect again. The long skinny paintbrush, just go in with the spray bottle water and let it do its magic and just kind of fade out a little bit. Here I'm using sponge. I do believe I use this on the wall tile also, but it helps blend it out a little bit. And then I'm just fixing stuff here. You can always go back and fix anything that you don't like. I go in a lot with like a dry brush and I kind of just go over and feather any bleeding that I don't like, or if it spread too much, you can kind of push that pooling of the water and the bleeding back together a little bit. Again, don't overthink it. The more you stare at it, the more that you're going to think it doesn't look right. I often will do it, forget it, come back to it, and then fix anything that I want to fix. You get in your own head sometimes about this. So that's about it. Don't overthink it. Just wing it. Go for it. Be creative. The most important step is to seal it. I use a polyacrylic, and you want to make sure to do 3 or 4 coats. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video when we give my pantry a big glow up.